Hey guys, welcome to the new video. So here we have the new Apple Watch Series 9 and this costs 45,000 rupees. So coming to the design and build, the watch frame is made up of aluminum and the bottom is made up of ceramic. Then on the right side there is the crown on top and a power button on the bottom, and there is a speaker grill on the left side, and then the strap is made up of silicone. So this watch comes up with a LTPO display. The bezels are slightly thinner than the Series 8, and this watch comes up with a peak brightness of 2000 nits. Talking about the performance, this watch is provided with the new S9 chip, which is very fast while scrolling up and down or while closing or opening apps. So the Series 9 comes up with some new interesting features. First is double tap, which is available later this year. You can attend calls or set timers or play songs just by double tapping your thumb and index finger together. Then the second one is on-device Siri. The Siri works even if there is no internet connection. So this new Apple Watch has some quick new features, like in the timer app we can now set multiple timers and scroll up or down to see the progress of the timers. Then the weather app also has an updated interface, like if you tap on it, it shows different weather stats like temperature, humidity, wind and many more. This watch is provided with some health measuring apps like blood oxygen app, ECG app, heart rate measuring app and even a sleep tracker app. So the Series 9 gives up to 18 hours of battery life and up to 36 hours of battery life on low power mode, and it also supports fast charging. So that's been it. Thanks for watching. Catch you up in the next video.